crap. Alright. Okay, guys. Today, we're going to be trying, I can't give you guys a yeah, so, that's a cup. Go to some order. You might not have, yeah, I had the hiccups as well. So I'm going to be adjusting it and helping make it away. Why is this sounding? Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a horrible idea. Content. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, prove to you guys that I actually did it. Oh, that's so bad. Leave the cup now. It's like halfway full. I'm probably okay. Why'd I do this? I'm so stupid. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of my video. Have an excellent day, because I'm gonna be posting this at like 8 o'clock at night. So yeah. Have an excellent day.